Hi guys! Welcome back to Mommy V's Garden. Ayan, nakatungtong po ako sa upuan. I just want to show you how tall the first rubber plant that I purchased is as of today. Ito yung pinakataas ng namin ng pintuan. Ayan, ganyan na po siya kataas. So, I've been saying na gusto ko tong i-propagate or gusto namin tong i-propagate ni Daddy June kasi sobrang taas na nga siya. So, we will do marketing para i-propagate tong rubber plant. At yan, pakita ko sa inyo ulit yung mga dahon niya na naggagandahan. Palaki ng palaki yung dahon niya as it gets taller. Ayan po. Ayan si Daddy June. Hello, Daddy June. The materials that we have prepared for this propagation, clear glass. Tapos, meron tayong clear tapos soil. Meron tayong cutter at saka clear tape. Ito po, clear tape. There. Yan ang ating mga materials na gagamitin. So, ngayon, actually, si Daddy June, nakagawa na siya ng isa. So, pakita namin sa inyo kung paano niya ginawa yan. The plan is to cut this rubber plant or from one rubber plant, gagawin natin siyang tatlo. Okay? So, saan natin gagawin yon, Daddy June? Nyo guys, ang taas na niya. Yan para ma-compare lang sa height ko. Ganyan na po siya. Ayan. So, ito guys, nag-testing si Daddy June. Meron siyang kinat na isang dahon doon sa rubber plant. Tinanggal niya yung dagta. Tapos, ito, linagyan niya ng soil at binalot. So, tetestingin daw niya kung tutubo ito. Kasi, if you would recall, I tried doing propagation using leaf cuttings before, na binabad ko sa tubig, and yung isa tinanim ko directly to soil, pero both of them were not successful. So let's give it another try using this propagation method naman through leaf cutting. Ayan, so may kukuhanin pa si Daddy June na isang dahon there. Ayan. Yeah, experiment lang tayo guys. Tingnan lang natin kung may mapapatubo tayo. Ayan ito yung pinakita ko kanina. This is how Daddy June made that one.
Experiment.
leaf cuttings, but it wasn't successful, but that shouldn't stop us from trying. So that's all for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope that you like the video and you give me a thumbs up. For those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I hope that you consider subscribing. God bless and stay safe everyone. Bye!